Hey there, everyone. It's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine, and I've got a good video for you guys today. It's called Earn $3 per word per 30 seconds automatically, free PayPal money. So a pretty hypey headline here. Let's take a look at this and see if it actually has any substance behind it. Make sure you comment below and tell me if you think this method is something that would actually work or not. I'm really interested if you've done something like this already. Let me know and share your experiences with us. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that little subscribe button and bell notification. Okay, let's jump into this. Let's give this video a like here and let's jump in.
This website over here that is paying $50 to $150 for business-related articles. Anywhere between $325 to $400 for articles about copywriting. This website will pay you $150 for articles about women and money. This website will pay you $50 for personal finance articles.
Okay, so they're starting this off by showing places that will pay you like decent money for articles that are like in the business niche. They've got women and money, so articles about money, and personal finance, $50. So I think they're basing the fact that they're saying like earn $3 per word per 30 seconds on the fact that they pay quite a bit for these articles. Okay, interesting way of starting this.
This website will pay you $60 to $150 for articles about online retailing. And I've been able to make well over $800 in the last 2 days using the strategy and websites over here. Before you
Okay, he says he's made it the money doing this method himself. I mean, we have to kind of trust him, right? Because he just showed us a PayPal screenshot, so we don't know if that's actually from this. But he says he's actually doing it, which is always nice to see.
think, oh, this is just another article writing video where only like 1 in 200 gets submitted and approved. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing something different. You can actually make a lot of quick money off of these websites. I don't think it will be something sustainable unless you're submitting every single day and you get at least a couple of submissions every single month, which is maybe a couple of $100 a month, but you won't get super rich with this.
I like that. I like that he's not saying that you're going to make $1 million overnight with this, that it's a kind of a part-time extra money thing. I know people personally that make like a living off of writing online. And one of the ways they do it, and I'll give you a tip, is they use text-to-speech software. So in the past, it used to be something called Dragon Naturally Speaking or something. Maybe some of you are familiar with that. Now I think it's just built in on, like on my Mac, I can just press a little button here and it will translate what I say. So instead of like writing the words, they just speak them and they can write these articles really, really quickly.
It's not something that's going to make you 6 figures every single month kind of thing. But this is a great way to earn some extra money to invest into elsewhere to build a more sustainable income. So this is just a great way to get some extra money to pay off expenses, maybe for entertainment, for food, or whatever you want to do. It's a great way just to make some extra cash. So anybody with zero skills, with zero knowledge on how to write articles can actually go and do this and make money online.
Okay, so like I'm an English major. Like in college, I study English, so I know I could do this, but I know there's some people out there that aren't necessarily that good at writing. So I don't know if anyone can do this. I'm not sure about that.
You don't need anything fancy. You just need a phone, an internet connection, and the websites that I'm going to show you, and the help from this video that you watch until the end, and you'll be on your way to be making money online with this article system. In order to go and get started with this, come over to Google and go and search "get paid for articles," and over here you will find a whole bunch of websites on the first page that will give you a list of different websites that will pay you per article. So
That music is pretty loud there in the background. I don't know how it is for you guys, but it's kind of going over his voice a little bit. I don't mind music in the videos, but it can't be too loud here. On another note, the thing about just like searching get paid for articles, it's amazing what you can find in Google. Like if you search this kind of stuff, you can find this kind of stuff here. So he's showing us something that everyone should know, but it's funny that not everyone knows that just to search for this.
So for example, you've got onefinewallet.com that will give you 20 websites to write and get paid instantly.
Okay, did he hear me put that music down? Because it looks like he just turned it off.
Up to $200 each. Money Pantry, which is 101 websites that pay you anywhere between $50 and $3,000 per blog. Over here we've got The Right Life, get paid to write articles, 17 magazines that pay you $500 or more. jeffbullers.com, 21 websites that will pay you $100 plus per article. And here's another website over here. So the website I'm going to be using is this one over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show it in a bit. What I really like about this website, they break down all the article websites that you can get paid into various different niches and categories. So for example, business and finance, essays, family and parenting, health, life.
I guess it's good that they break it down into different niches because like some people might be really good at finance, but maybe not good at lifestyle. You know what I mean? So you can pick the niche that you're good at.
Lifestyle and general interest, technology, travel and food, writing. And that's really it over here. So what's nice about this is you can go and choose a specific niche that you like or something that you're passionate about. So if you're interested or like traveling, you can go and make money off these travel and food websites. If you're a writer or an author, you can go and make money on these websites over here. If you're into the health niche, whether you're a nurse or becoming a doctor, you can go and make money off these websites over here. If you're interested in family, if you're interested in consumer studies, family and parenting, you can go make money off the
He showed us that screenshot of the money that he made in the beginning. I'm really curious if that's really money that he made from doing this. I'd like to see some like real proof of him getting paid from these people.
category here. Essays, if you're interested in literature, essay writing, English, books, you can go and make money over here. And if you're interested in finance and the business niche, you can go and make money over here. So me personally, I like business and finance. I'm going to go and use one of these websites over here to go and make money. So for example, e-commerce insiders, they pay $60 to $150 for articles about online retailing. So we can go and click on the link over here and it will take you to their relative website. Over here, you can see they're currently not accepting any new applicants.
That's what I'd be afraid of. They're currently not accepting new applicants. Like a lot of these places still accepting people. Like that scares me a little bit.
So then all you do is you just come back to this website, make sure to keep watching, I'm going to show it right now, and you go and choose another one. So for example, income diary.
Okay, I'm back. My daughter ran in on me, so let's keep keep going.
Submit articles to be published on Income Diary. All you do is you click on this contact us with a quote over here and you include your samples of your writing and your article that you're going to write. Over here you can see is all your information. And then once they approve you, they're going to send anywhere between $150 to $300 to your PayPal account. To help you even more, you can go and copy the name of this website called E-commerce Insiders. Go and paste this in Google and you can just type here writing guidelines. And let's go and have a look on Google if there's any guidelines that will give you an idea. So here on the first link, they'll basically give you a couple of instructions, guidelines for
So what is guidelines? Like, please only apply if you have specific e-commerce experience or experience in a field that is directly related to this. Applications without links to writing samples will not be considered. So if you don't have any, like, if this is something you actually do know about, then obviously that's something you'd want to apply for. But you definitely want to publish your stuff online. So I guess you could publish it on like medium.com, or if you have a website, you could link out to it. But they do want to see people that are experienced. It looks like they have $75 for every article from 400 to 600 words. That's decent. If you have experience.
For example, your content must be angled towards online retailers and fit into one category or subcategory in the navigation menu above. Commentary or educational, so the content should be educational with how-to tips and tactics, or commentary on industry news or trends. We tolerate no explicit sales, marketing, or persuasion, so you don't want to promote anything in these articles. You just want to make it educational, otherwise they most likely will decline you. Application guides, if you only apply, you have specific experience in e-commerce, experience in a field that is directly relative to e-commerce, for example, fulfillment, e-commerce software, inbound marketing. Applications without links to writing samples will not be considered. In your application, please include at least one pitch for an article you'd like to write for e-commerce insiders. So I'm going to teach you how you can do all of this without having any of this knowledge, without having any e-commerce knowledge or even any experience in the e-commerce field. That's
Again, if you've done this before, make sure you comment below if you've made money doing this. Like, let us know what you've done and how much money you've made.
actually really easy for anybody to do this. And take a look at this. You're going to get paid $75 for every article from 400 to 600 words, $125 for articles around 600 words, and $150 for articles over 600 words. So the pay with this is really good. I mean, 600 words is really not a lot. It's basically a page and a bit. It's honestly not even a full essay. Now, if you keep watching with me, I'm going to give you 2 copy and paste articles that you can go and use with this. And I'm also going to teach you how you can go and do it yourself for future articles when I'm not around. So in order to go and get started with this, we can actually go and leverage articles on some of the biggest websites in the world that have the biggest reputations, reword that ourselves as long as it's reworded. And
Okay, so we're going to take articles that are already written and rewrite them. Um, it's a little bit gray hat here, but I don't know. It's a little questionable, but let's see what he tells us to do.
Not copied, because if you copy it, it's then plagiarism, which is a illegal offense. So that's why we're going to have to go and reword it into our own word. But good news for you, there are tons of softwares out there that will automatically redo the wording for you. Then we want to come over to Google News. So just go and search on Google News, click on the first link over here. We want to open up all the Google News articles. Since our category is about business and finance, we want to go and click on business over here. So for example, we can maybe go and search e-commerce, and let's go and have a look at what there is. 3 ways entrepreneurs can tailor their e-commerce store strategy for maximum growth. How to improve your Valentine's Day e-commerce strategy. So let's go and open this link in a new tab. What I like about this specific article over here, it's about a trend. Valentine's Day is coming up. It's going to be a very trending month for the search
Okay, so he's looking for stuff that's already doing well, and he's looking for ones that are trending. So smart.
term Valentine's Day. And you will see over here, one of the guidelines is choose a category or a subcategory. So when this website sees that you're talking about Valentine's, they immediately think this guy's smart. He knows how to pick up on trends, just increasing your chances of getting approved. So try and apply your articles with trends over here. And you are welcome to go and submit multiple articles on multiple of these websites over here. So for example, we can go and open
That's a good idea. Instead of just submitting it one place, submit it to a bunch of different places, and then you'll have more of a chance of it getting picked up.
up Modern Farmer over here and open this up in a new tab. Just go read through the guidelines and have a look at what they want. So over here you can see anything about policy, plants, and animals. So again, we can come to Google News. Policy, plants, and animals would be maybe science, I'm guessing. So let's click on science and have a look and just go and search animals or farming or whatever article you want to use. So over here you can see climate change is affecting how animals hibernate. So we can go and open this over here and have a look at this article. So here is another article we can go and use for this. Now obviously we can't just go and copy and paste this because that is plagiarism and they will see that and you will not get accepted at all. We can then come over to a tool called
You got to be really careful. Like this article right here is talking about specific like quotes and stuff, and if you're gonna make it a little bit generic, I guess, if you're gonna do this method.
spinbot.com. So this is one of my favorite websites online to put text, articles, words into my own words. So all we're going to do is we can go and copy one of these articles over here. For example, how to impress your Valentine's Day e-commerce strategy. We can go and copy this entire article as is over here. Just right click, copy, come over to Spinbot and paste your text. Click on this arrow, just complete this little puzzle piece. And over here in a couple of seconds, it will rewrite the entire text for you. So have a look at this.
So yeah, when it does it though, so it says, with love in the air, Valentine's Day has always proven to be one of the most popular times of the year to buy jewelry. Okay. With love all around, Valentine's Day has demonstrated all the time to be one of the most famous seasons to purchase gems. Are people going to buy this article? I don't know. Maybe if they don't read it.
This. With love in the air, Valentine's Day has always proven to be one of the most popular times of the year. Have a look at your new text. With love all around, Valentine's Day has demonstrated all of the time to be one of the most famous seasons.
You know, with that being said, if you maybe have the software rewrite it and then you go in there and you kind of fine tune it and make it sound good, possibly. Like I never, with these kind of softwares, I always think like, okay, if you want to use it for like link building or something, fine. But if someone's going to actually read it, you need to go in there and you need to really check it out and make sure that it sounds good before you submit it anywhere.
Seasons to purchase gems. It's a time when we all want to hold that special someone even closer and show them how much we care. It's the point at which we as a whole need to hold that unique individual considerably closer and show them exactly the amount we give it a second thought. So it just rewords it into your own words, but still kind of means the same thing. So just like this, your article is now complete in your own words. We can then go and copy our entire new article, come over to docs.google.com and open up a new Google document. So let's click on the blank page over here. Just go and paste this here. And obviously we want to go and paste our title. So over here would be our title. If you want to, you can go and reword your title as well. So let's just have a look at what it gives us. The most effective method to improve your Valentine's Day e-commerce strategy. So that can be our new title over here, also reworded and not copied. We can go and paste that here as is. Make this center bold and increase the size a bit. And just like that, our article is done in our own words. Secondly, you can also come over to Fiverr.com and get your own professional article made. So you can come over to Fiverr and just search article and have a professional write up your article for you at, let's say, $100. So over here, you can see.
That sounds pretty expensive. Like you're going to pay $100 and then you're not sure if you're going to get it picked up. Like if you get to the point where you're getting paid $300 to write an article and you find a guy that will write it for you for $100, that's a no-brainer. Like if you can outsource it and get a really nice article for $100 and you've got a guarantee that you're going to be paid $300 for it, or even 150, even if you're going to make $50 in the middle, like that could work really well. So think about that as well.
They will go and publish your interview article on Google News. I will write high quality articles for your website. So over here, there's thousands of people. What I recommend is just to have a look at their rating. For example, this guy is pro verified with 5 stars over 320 reviews. This is a very good one to use. So just go and use one with a lot of reviews and mostly 5 stars. And you're pretty much guaranteed to get a good quality article. So this is another way to go about doing that. And you go and submit this on this website over here, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And you can go and make money doing that. Keep in mind, when you go and order from these guys, you want to send them a little bit of information, which is the guidelines from this website. So this website's articles that's paying you is obviously about e-commerce. So you want to tell them, hey, I would like a 600-word article on the topic of e-commerce and trends. And you can even mention to them, this work is an approval-based system, meaning if this article wins, you will get paid double. If it
I mean, that's a good way of incentivizing them. So you can say that you're going to tip them if it does really well, and maybe they'll give you a better article. People like being incentivized. It works well.
doesn't win, then you don't get paid anything. So you can actually go and mention to them, if you can ask them if they want to do that. They might say yes, they might
I doubt anyone's going to say, yeah, if they're going to want to get money. They're not going to say, oh, I'm going to work for free and maybe get paid. They're going to want to get paid.
say no. So that means if they give you an article and you submit it and it doesn't win, you don't actually have to pay them on Fiverr. And if it does win, you just have to go and pay them double. So you can go along that route if you want to, but I wouldn't. I would just pay them the standard price and get your article, so that it just works, and then you can go and submit your article on that website. But that is something that you could consider doing with Fiverr. Otherwise, just use the strategy of rewriting and making your own articles like I just showed you. And then all you're going to do is, once you're ready, you can go and copy this entire article. You're going to come back to this website over here, which is called makealivingwriting.com/money making writing. Obviously, go and choose a website relative to the article that you've just written. For example, mine is this one over here about the e-commerce. In order to go and submit your category, you're just going to click on contact us with a quote over here. Please include previous examples of writing on SEO or making money online over here. You can come over to the
Again, you're applying for a job essentially with all these places.
contact us page. And over here, you can see how you contact us. Just enter your name, email, your website. Hi there, I came across your article submission page. I've written an entire article for you guys about the trend of e-commerce and Valentine's. I thought you guys would find it interesting. And then you just leave a link to your Google Drive over here. And if it gets submitted and approved, they will send you anywhere between $150 to $300 to your PayPal account. Like I say to you, this is not something that's going to make you rich, but it's a great way to go and make anywhere between an extra $100 and $500 a week.
I hope you enjoyed this video here today. Of course, this isn't something that's going to make you rich. Again, if you've done something like this, make sure you comment below and tell us what you did and the kind of money that you made with it. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit that bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.